pictures of all the different directions and then it stitches them.
There's rain up ahead, so it's best to get your rain gear on before it starts raining instead of in the middle of it. I learned that the hard way. Okay, well, I got to a campsite. It's about 20 miles outside of the north rim of the Grand Canyon. I got the tarp set up before it started raining. Drying out my rain suit underneath the tarp on the line. That is why you put the line underneath the tarp and not on top of it. And right now I'm getting ready to have an iced coffee and some Reese's. Because I had my rain suit on, this dry bag was empty, so I could put spaghetti, some Reese's, and my fuel to cook on. This is pretty cool. This is my little air pump, and put on your little mat. Wax canvas bag, stainless steel plate, hot fry pan, safely put it in my lap. Watch TV. Now, you're not supposed to be eating in your tent, but it's raining.